If you're getting random pop-ups, ads, or weird redirects on your iPhone, this will fix it. Most people think their phone is
Open
hacked,
settings, but usually
scroll
it's
down
just
to
bad
apps.
settings.
Look for Safari.
Let's clean it up. Use the search function to find it quicker. Select Safari. Now look for block pop-ups under the general section. Turn this on. This stops most annoying pop-ups instantly. Now find Prevent Cross-Site Tracking under Privacy and Security section. Turn this on as well. This blocks advertisers from tracking you across websites. Next, tap Clear History and Website Data. This removes cookies and stored data. That can cause redirects and spam pages. Confirm it. Scroll up further. Turn on Fraudulent Website Warning. This helps block dangerous or scam websites. Now here's something most people miss. Go back to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, tap Tracking. Turn off Allow apps to request to track. This reduces personalized ads across apps. Now let's check notifications. Go back to Settings, tap Notifications. If it is quicker, search for notifications in the search field. Scroll through your apps. If you see any apps that could be sending spammy notifications, turn them off. Some websites also send notifications through Safari. If you allowed these before, they can look like pop-ups. Now one more important step. If you're still seeing pop-ups, it could be from a suspicious app. Go back to your home screen, look for apps you don't recognize, delete anything suspicious. Now your iPhone is much cleaner. No more random pop-ups, no more annoying redirects. Most people never fix these settings. Now you have.